Hi, welcome to our another video of 2 minutes Java Gyan. Our topic for today's discussion is method overloading. Now, method overloading is a simple concept wherein you have multiple methods with same name in a class, but they have to be differed on some parameter issues. For example, number of parameters should be different for every method you are trying to overload. If the number of parameters are same, their type should be different. If the number of parameter and their type are even same, the order of declaration should be different. In short, when an object is trying to invoke that method, you should be able to differentiate between which method is going to be called. Hence, these rules are being set up for you. Now, what role does method overloading plays? Method overloading plays when you are trying to invoke a method. A method overloading provides you a bulk of operation under a single name. Hence, as a developer, you don't have to remember multiple method names while doing some operations. Now, when can a method be overloaded? You have to remember one thing. It's a simple fact that when a method is parameterized or anything which is parameterized, it can be overloaded. A simple fact to remember is anything which can be parameterized can be overloaded. For example, you want to buy a car. Your budget is 10 lakh and you want to buy a Honda City. Now, Honda City starts from let's say 8 lakhs. And the fully automated model can go up to 15 lakh. Now, which one you will buy? So you have got multiple options. Method overloading always provide you options of with the number of parameters you can go in for a method. Now, like our last video, I want to give you a Bollywood reference. So you can just go through the clip of this song I'm going to play here now.
लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे खिलता गुलाब जैसे शायर का ख्वाब जैसे उजली किरण जैसे वन में हिरन जैसे चांदनी रात जैसे नरमी की.
It was an iconic song. Now you see how Anil Kapoor is trying to woo Manisha Koiral or just to remember her, but he is not doing like एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. He is changing the parameters after that. Yes, that is method overloading. Thank you.